everyone, my name is Ricky. I'm 8 years old. Today I'm going to talk about viruses. What is a virus? A virus is a very small bacteria that goes in our body, then destroys our cells. Is it big or small? It is very small, that it is smaller than our oxygen we breathe. Every time we cough out virus, and not every virus is bad to us, but some virus kill bacteria in our body for us. What does bacteria do to make another virus to destroy our body? The virus goes into our skin, then it goes to our cells. Then it started to make other viruses, and then it makes DNA and RNA for them, because in virus it only have RNA and DNA. So, how many types of virus? There are many types of virus, and you must do this to keep you from virus from spreading. First, when you cough, you must take a paper or your hand to cover your mouth. 2. Wash your hands oftenly. And 5. What do vaccines teach our immune system to do when the virus go into our body? The vaccines teach our immune system to fight back the virus, so our body is strong and we can protect us from sick. Okay, and this is the end. Goodbye.